Alright guys, I haven't been to the track in like a month and a half, and it's just me and my dad here today, so I haven't been to the track without Brian in this car, I think, ever. So I'm not nervous. I am. But I'm trying not to be. I'm excited. It's been a while. Before in the comments, I don't know why I've gotten in the terrible habit of rolling the windows down right away. I am working on it. I definitely am working on not taking my helmet and my seatbelt off on the track surface. So I read your comments. I just sometimes forget when I'm in, what's going on in the moment. So I'm working on it, I swear. That felt fast, but I definitely felt like I was slipping through my brakes. So, we'll see how that was. I don't know. Thank you. So not fast. 955 at 154. That mile per hour though. Not a good 60 foot. Pretty good reaction time though. That felt good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna look in a second. Dang. Faster. 940. Here. This pass, the 60 foot was a little bit closer to where it's supposed to be. Sorry, I'm having a hard time reading these. 945 at 154. So the mile per hour is there. That's wild. So hopefully when it gets a little bit darker, because we're gonna stay for a while, mile per hour is almost spot on. So so when it shifted early again, so ugh. That's why we're at the track. That's why we're at home. Because at least this isn't happening at an event. Ugh. that I could feel is that it still ran at 955 and it still was at 154 mile per hour. So I think this thing needs a bigger burnout and it needs to sit for a minute. Since the track is not really there, he wants traction control on, so I'm gonna do what he says. Oop. Fortunately, went through the beam. People do this. I see people in videos all the time where they just keep their helmet like that. Nope. Nope. Oh, what did Dad say already? It didn't. Shit. It didn't like that. It got hot. So, she ain't liking hot laps. She's a little pampered girl. I can only imagine what the time slip on this looks like. Thank you. I mean for walking it out, it still did a 980 at 151. Girl, she okay? She okay? Okay, so I got my rear seat delete in and I already took it out of the box. So we're gonna open it. It's gonna smell like new car again. Hey! Look how cool!
Damn.
Sweet.
That is sweet.
Thanks, Jason, for hooking me up.
You should probably let them know who made it.
I was gonna put all that info.
Oh.
Should I probably not have?
Probably. You probably can use the pin for it. Like, just shove it in the back. And then you have to use the push thing to release it. Those are like those fancy hood pins. They're like this Shelby. You got GT500 parts on your rear seat delete, Joe. I feel like I'm getting middle fingered here soon.
Just going through the directions, making sure we have everything done. So, the nice thing is it has very little, minimal hardware, so it should be pretty easy. I have mild claustrophobia, so we're gonna see how this goes. Gotta take my shoes off.
Okay.
Prince, will you please take this one off?
Okay, princess.
Ah, thank you. Oh.
Wow, so much more room now.
That really didn't help.
I know.
Okay.
Slide the other one forward too.
I'm already back here.
Oh, okay.
It's okay.
It's okay. Okay.
Now what?
Feel to the left of that, like underneath it. Do you feel like a bolt head? That's the bolt that you need to remove. So we gotta cut out. Yes.
Okay.
Not cut at you. Cut away from you.
Okay. Is this one not? Oh, I was gonna say, if this one's not the same size, I'm gonna have a bone to pick with for.
Yeah, it sounds like gold.
Yeah, this little middle passageway.
Alright, pull it out towards you now.
Okay.
And then run the nut, that nut down. Nope, the other down.
Okay, how far are we going out?
I don't know, we'll just leave it somewhere and then we'll adjust it. So now we got to do the same thing on this side again.
This time I'm moving over there. Okay.
I started that bolt for you.
Okay.
Just to get it in a decent spot. So you basically just got to slide it underneath that flap. And then just screw it.
So if you are interested in a rear seat delete, this was from Jason and he did an awesome job and the quality is amazing. So if you guys have any questions, message him on Instagram, and if you are really serious, I have a coupon code. It is 1320chick. Give that to Jason and he will hook you guys up.